Welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for tuning in to CBTV 360 this week. In this episode today, I want to go over how I built my workbench slash bar in my garage. I also hung a TV, as you see, over my left shoulder. I also have a refrigerator right here. So I'm just trying to utilize this space that I have in my garage. I also have storage down here at the bottom. I hope you enjoy. Right here, I'm getting ready to cut my leads at 43 inches tall. So I'm gonna cut 4 leads, my 2 front leads and my 2 back leads at the height of 43 inches because I want my utility table at 43 inches high.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So right here, you notice I'm taking a look at my plan I built to make sure I'm cutting everything at the right height and width. So right here, I'm just making the marks of everything that I already have cut.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So right here, I'm cutting my brace at 23 inches. I'm gonna need 4 braces, and next you'll see me making the complete build of my utility table slash work area bench. So I hope you enjoy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.